The 6 essential nutrients, what they are and why your body needs them. Have you ever wondered what your body needs to function properly? Well, there are 6 essential nutrients that your body needs to stay healthy. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Carbohydrates are one of the main sources of energy for your body. They're found in foods like bread, rice, pasta, and potatoes. Your body breaks down carbohydrates into glucose, which is used as fuel for your muscles and organs. Proteins are essential for building and repairing tissues in your body. They're found in foods like meat, fish, eggs, and beans. Your body breaks down proteins into amino acids, which are used to make new tissues. Fats are important for many functions in your body, including providing energy, insulating your organs, and helping your body absorb vitamins. They're found in foods like nuts, oils, and fatty fish. Vitamins are essential for many processes in your body, including growth, development, and maintaining a healthy immune system. They're found in a variety of foods, but some people take supplements to make sure they're getting enough. Minerals are also essential for many processes in your body, including building strong bones and teeth, regulating your heartbeat, and helping your blood clot. They're found in foods like dairy products, leafy greens, and nuts. And finally, there's water. Your body needs water to function properly. It helps regulate your body temperature, transport nutrients, and remove waste. You should aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. So there you have it, the 6 essential nutrients that your body needs to stay healthy. Make sure you are getting enough of each one by eating a balanced diet and drinking plenty of water. Thanks for watching.